Hey guys, it's Friday, June the 7th. Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's made some money this week. Had the non-farm payrolls in the U.S. this morning. There's not going to be much action the rest of the day. That's why I'm going to go ahead and do the video a little bit earlier. Starting out with the pound dollar. It's making a 1 hour sell signal, but it's still got 30 minutes to go, so that could go away. We kind of have to keep an eye on it. It's made a big move up this morning after the report. And the 4 hour, same thing. It's not made the sell signal yet, so be careful of that 1 hour one. But that could change. This has got 30 minutes to go too, that candle. And that's on the pound dollar. The Aussie dollar, there was a buy there from yesterday. Didn't really come down much. That, if you didn't get that one, that was about it right there. And it's made a huge move up. Let's see if the 4 hour had a chance to get in long. Well, the 4 hour was back over here. So there was your chance right there to get back in with a low risk trade. And now you're up in the money. On the Euro CAD, it's making a 1 hour sell signal. Still got 28 minutes to go on it. The 4 hour is making a sell signal as well. It's got 28 minutes to go. So you got to wait on those. You have to wait on the candle close. So there's nothing to do there. CAD yen, 1 hour has made a buy signal. You had a poke down, several little pokes downs. That's a low risk trade if you want to take it. Very, very low risk. That's your stop right there, that low. On the CAD yen 1 hour. The 4 hour is still in sell mode. It's not made a buy signal yet. The buy was way back here, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a ways back. Way back. There it is. March the 24th, CAD yen has been strong. So I imagine there's a big strong down move there on the 4 hour. I would think there's going to be a retracement back up into here before it tries to sell off again. So here's what I'm talking about. If you didn't get that one or that one, there was your next opportunity. Next opportunity, next opportunities. And it really didn't move until there. So the CAD yen 1 hour, that's a small risk trade. Odd yen is in a 1 hour buy. You had a couple opportunities to get in long there. And the 4 hours made a buy signal as well. So both of those agree on the odd yen for buys. Now, granted, they may only be retracements, so you have to be careful on that. The pound odd made a 1 hour sell signal and started selling off. The pound odd 4 hours made a sell, so both of those in agreement on sales. The pound odd. Pound CAD 1 hour has made a 1 hour sell signal. There was a chance to get in short right there. You're up a little bit. That was your chance to get in short. For some reason, I just don't think that move is done to the upside. This may be just a short move down before it goes back up. It doesn't look good to me for a short 4 hour. pound CAD has made a sell signal, but I mean it did. There's your chance to get in short right there. So both of those are in agreement on sales. Pound yen 1 hour has made a 1 hour sell signal. There's your buy opportunity right there. Just hasn't really gone anywhere yet a whole lot. The 4 hour is still in a sell. So those two aren't in agreement. This could be just a slight retrace before it heads lower on the pound yen. Euro New Zealand, we talked about this yesterday. There was a big move, sell off during Europe, and then a move back up to where it sold off from during the US session. There's no sell signal there yet. So the 4 hour Euro New Zealand didn't show a buy. This just could be a retracement before we head lower. So careful on the Euro New Zealand. Pound New Zealand, same thing, except it's made a 1 hour sell signal. That was on the 1 hour. The 4 hour is still in sell mode, so there could be a sell coming on the pound New Zealand. So both of those are in agreement right now. New Zealand yen 1 hour has made a buy. New Zealand there was a chance right there to get in the New Zealand yen 1 hour. The 4 hour has not made a buy. It's still in sell mode. There could be a little retracement up on the New Zealand yen before the sale continues. That's on the New Zealand yen. The Euro yen has made a 1 hour buy signal. It hadn't come down where it needs to. That's too far away from me now. It's got to come back down in here before I go long or even think about going long. The Euro yen still in a sell, so those are not in agreement yet. Just could be a little retracement up on the Euro yen before you head lower. And the Euro odd, it's made a 1 hour sell signal. It's a pretty good ways. It needs to come back up into here before I'm thinking about a sell. It's got to come up into there. And the 4 hour is still in the sell mode. Would be nice if it did come up into here and then be a sell on the Euro odd 4 hour. So those in agreement right now, they're both sells. So guys, you trade at your own risk on Fridays. I don't really do anything. I mean, it has to be something really great there to be able to hold over the weekend, because these things can gap up and gap down. So just be very careful on those. If you've got profit in stuff, I would go ahead and take that and either get out of the trade completely or move your stops up a lot, because the weekend anything can happen on the weekend. So I hope everybody has a good weekend, and we'll plan on seeing you guys on Monday. Remember to keep subscribing and liking the channel. If the trading education, is that what they call it, that what we do, if I'm helping you, which I hope that I am. I got a feeling I am if you're following this, because you can go back and look at these videos and be able to see where the opportunities come in and low risk trades, because I want anywhere from 30 at the most down. Prefer 5 to 10 on my risk. Is like you see how these when they're right, then you're going to have a big move. When you're wrong, you could have 3, 4, 5, even 6 in a row wrong, and because your risk is so small, the one win is going to completely wipe out all those losses, plus give you more of a gain. So, but I mean, there's a lot of people on YouTube that do the take 5, 8, 10, maybe even 15 pips and they're done, get out. To me, that makes no sense. I mean, they're just wanting to be in and out of trades. They figure they got to make money. I'm making money. It may not be every day, but I'm making good money. I mean, let's say, for instance, they make 15 pips, and they do that 5 days in a row. They got 75 pips for the whole week. I can get in one trade 75 pips for half of my position, and I still got the other half, and that's just on one currency. And I usually trade more than that, so that's why it doesn't make any sense to do that. To me, that's just gambling, and you just feel, if you're at the point where you feel like that you have to trade and make a trade every day, you don't need to be doing this. Because if you got bills that you got to pay and they're not, you got too many, and you're trying to do this for a living, and you figure you got to make money every day, then this is probably not for you. I would try to find something else. Trading's not for everybody. It's not. It's just like everybody can't be a garbage collector. So hope everybody has a good weekend. We'll see you guys on Monday.